Hello and welcome to glowstrung.com. This is the Orbital tutorial. That is what the Orbital looks like. Now, before I actually teach you the move, I just want to warn you that you are going to be hitting your hands and fingers and even your face, probably the rest of your body, a whole lot. And it's really going to hurt. So just a fair warning that you're going to be doing that. Okay, now before we actually learn the move, I just want to teach you the mechanics of the move, how the move works. So what you're going to be doing is spinning the glow sticks the same direction, and you're going to be spinning them split time. Okay? And what's happening is you're going to let the glow sticks, you're going to let the strings wrap around each other once, maybe twice, no more than twice. But you let the strings fully wrap around each other once, and then what you do is you pull. Okay, see, I didn't let it wrap around all the way there. You let them wrap once and pull. And what happens is, since the strings are already kind of tangled around each other, once you pull and tighten the strings, it makes the strings just spin faster and just keep spinning around each other. Alright? So, the first thing, there's two different ways we could learn this. I'm going to teach you the way that I prefer, because you're probably going to hit your hands a lot less doing it this way. The first way, the way that I don't really prefer, is you could go 3/4 of the way down on your string from where you hold it and put a little mark on the strings. Take a magic marker, permanent marker, and mark a decent sized mark on both strings at the same spot. And what you do is you spin them, and that's the point where you hit the strings together and pull and do the move. But doing it that way, you're definitely going to hit your hands a lot. So the way I'm going to teach you is you're going to be touching your hands together and pulling instead of hitting the strings down here. You're going to be hitting the strings up here. It's not much harder at all. It's just you might have to pull. You have to be a little quicker. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to spin same direction, split time, and then just touch your hands together and let the strings wrap. Let them do whatever they want, really. But really try and focus on and feel when they wrap around just once around each other. Okay? So just practice that a few times until you can really feel and see where they wrap around each other just once. So the next thing you do is, once you've learned, how to tell when it wraps around each other just once, the next thing you want to try doing is spinning 90 degrees. Okay? So let them wrap up and spin 90 degrees. Okay? Now you're going to be hitting yourself a little bit here, so don't be spinning them really fast or anything. Just spin them nice and slow. Let them wrap and spin 90 degrees. Alright? Just like that. They don't even have to really wrap that much. Just kind of do the motions and spin 90 degrees. Alright? Because when you actually do the move, you don't just stand there, spin, and pull like that. You actually have to turn and pull. Alright? Alright, so once you have this part down, and you have touching, making them spin, or making them wrap and turning 90 degrees, once you have all that down, the next thing you want to do is kind of try the move. Okay? Now, you don't want to pull really hard, and you don't want to pull really lightly, because if you pull lightly, it'll kind of do the move, but it'll just kind of fail on you. If you pull too hard, the strings will pull apart and you're going to really whack yourself with the glow stick. Also, if you have cheaper, crappier glow sticks, this part, the part that your string is on, if you pull too hard, that glow stick will pop right out of there and fly. I've hit a couple people doing that, and I've hit my walls all over the place and whatnot. So you want to pull a moderate amount, okay? but you'll start to feel how much you have to pull. All right, so what you do is spin, split time, same direction, touch them, turn and pull. There's not much else I can really teach you about the move other than those few things. Whew. See there, I didn't let them wrap up all the way. Kind of pulled when they were halfway around each other. So yes, if you pull too early or too late, it's going to mess up the move. Alright? So that is the move, and I hope this helps you.